This is the Apple Watch magnetic charging dock. Now this retails for $79 and works with all Apple Watches, from the Apple Watch Sport to the stainless steel Apple Watch and the Apple Watch Edition, and works with all sizes. So basically it's a weighted dock that's padded for protection, and the charging dock itself can articulate, so you can prop up the Apple Watch for nightstand mode, and you have this nice base which is padded, which provides protection for your Apple Watch so you don't scratch it. That's especially important with the stainless steel Apple Watch and the Apple Watch Edition. So cracking into the box, first thing we have front and center is the charging dock itself. There is a piece of plastic covering the magnetic charging surface along with the chrome finish along the back. So once we peel this off, we're ready to go. But we're going to set that aside to take a look at some of the other accessories. So of course we do get a lightning cable. This is an extra long 2-meter lightning cable, which is really nice to have. It's actually similar in length to the charging dock that comes included with your Apple Watch. And of course we get some paperwork at the bottom. We have a quick start guide that explains the basic uses, and we have some regulatory and warranty information below that. So taking a close look at the design, it's unlike any other Apple Watch dock you've probably seen from third parties. So it's kind of this compact disc shape. It basically feels like a solid piece of weighted metal wrapped in this sort of soft textured material. The material itself is actually very consistent with other Apple accessories. It feels like the same silicone material that's on the silicone cases for the iPhones, the iPads, the smart covers, and that sort of thing. And along the bottom we have this microfiber material, again very similar to the microfiber lining of iPhone and iPad cases. Along the side, the two materials are pinched together in this nice seam. And of course toward the side we'll find a lightning connector for connecting the lightning cable to charge your watch. Now the lightning connector here actually has a chrome ring around it that's actually consistent with the chrome metal that's also at the center of the dock. So a very nice design here. We have this chrome hinge which allows you to articulate the charging dock. So this also has a nice amount of resistance, so it feels nice and smooth. So again, it feels like a high quality, well engineered design, even though it's a simple accessory. Now the charging dock puck is actually somewhat similar to the one that comes with the stainless steel Apple Watch, but we have a chromed polish finish versus the brushed finish on the charging dock with the Apple Watch. Now a wall adapter is not included with the charging dock, but of course one came with your Apple Watch, so you could use that instead, or you can connect it to a USB port on your Mac as I did here. Now we can use the dock in two ways. So we can lay the watch flat across the magnetic charging surface. It automatically connects to it and charges your watch. So it's very simple. Now of course this will not work with all bands. So if you have a looped band like a Milanese loop, you can't lay it flat. What you'll have to do is raise it vertically. This allows you to lay the watch sideways, which then allows it to work with nightstand mode. So this basically means you have a night clock that allows you to quickly check the time or set an alarm. If you want to quickly check the time, all you have to do is tap the watch to wake it up, and it goes back to sleep automatically. Now the great thing about this design is that everything is lifted off the table and protected from scratches. Now this is especially important with the stainless steel Apple Watch and its stainless steel bands. And since the dock is weighted, when you pick up your Apple Watch, the dock doesn't follow it, although if you're slower about it, you can pick it up as well. Now in the end, I actually really like this accessory. I think it's a nice way of charging and docking your Apple Watch without it sort of sliding across your table or having to search for the puck that probably fell behind your desk or behind your nightstand. So this keeps it in one spot. And I actually think $79 is a fair price for a well-made accessory that's designed to protect your $700 to $800 or $1,000 Apple Watch.